Hi everyone, welcome to the Phi Tau Sigma Awards Program for 2020. We're excited that we have this opportunity to recognize our outstanding award winners. My name is Liz Boyle and I am the current president of Phi Tau Sigma. We wanted to take this opportunity to recognize all of our outstanding award winners of Phi Tau Sigma Awards, as well as recognize our sponsors and donors who contribute and support our awards program. At this time, I want to turn this presentation over to Ravi Chermala, the 2019-2020 chair of the awards committee.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Chermala. As a Phi Tau Sigma Awards Committee Chair, it is my honor to be announcing the recipients of the awards. My sincere thanks to all the nominees, nominators, committee members, leadership team, Phi Tau Sigma community, and the scholarship and award sponsors and donors. Phi Tau Sigma, the Honor Society of Food Science and Technology, honors and elevates the achievements of students and professionals in food science and technology. We are pleased to announce the recipients of the 2020 Phi Tau Sigma Awards. Congratulations. Dr. Darrell B. Lund Student International Travel Scholarship is given to a student member of Phi Tau Sigma to supplement international travel for educational purposes. The award is presented to honor the commitment of Dr. Lund to international development and relations. The award consists of a plaque and a $2,000 scholarship. The Dr. Darrell B. Lund Scholarship is sponsored by Dr. and Mrs. Darrell and Don Lund. The winner of this award is Jennifer Fiedler. Jennifer is currently a PhD candidate in her final year of study in the Department of Food, Bioprocessing and Nutrition Science at North Carolina State University and conducts research within the USDA. The aim of Jennifer's research is to investigate non-probiotic, health-promoting properties of fermented cucumbers. Throughout her doctorate program, Jennifer has focused on food chemistry and honed her skills in various types of mass spectrometry analysis for characterizing vegetable fermentations. In addition to research and academic excellence, Jennifer has consistently sought involvement in professional societies and volunteered her time outside of her university and workplace. The Phi Tau Sigma Student Achievement Scholarship is given to a student member of Phi Tau Sigma who has shown exceptional scholastic achievement and a dedication to Phi Tau Sigma. The scholarship consists of a plaque and a $1,000 scholarship. There are 3 honorees for 2020: Vaidyanathan Anant Ramakrishnan, Yunbin Tan, and Hulu Zhu. The Student Achievement Scholarship is sponsored by Dr. Rakesh Singh. Vaidyanathan Anant Ramakrishnan is currently a PhD candidate at University of Minnesota in the Department of Food Science and Nutrition. Vaidhi was the president of Phi Tau Sigma University of Minnesota chapter for 2 years and presently serving as a secretary for the section. Under his leadership, the chapter won the prestigious honor as Chapter of Excellence from National Phi Tau Sigma. His graduate research focuses on plant and dairy proteins and their interaction with flavors. His graduate studies have provided him with expertise in flavor analysis, encapsulation by spray drying, proteomics, and mass spectrometry. The Student Achievement Scholarship is also sponsored by Elsevier Publishing Company and Peter M. Salmon. Yunbin Tan is currently a third-year PhD candidate in the Food Biopolymers and Colloids Laboratory at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. She is the Vice President of the UMass chapter of Phi Tau Sigma. She is currently working on a project of the application of an in vitro digestion system to examine the impact of food matrix effects on the gastrointestinal fate of encapsulated nutraceuticals and vitamins, which is of great value in food as well as pharmaceutical areas. She has published 14 scientific articles in well-respected journals and has 2 patents so far. The Student Achievement Scholarship is also sponsored by Dr. William Benji Michael and David K. Park. Hulu Zhu is currently a third-year PhD student in the Food Science Department at University of Massachusetts Amherst. She served as the treasurer of UMass Phi Sigma chapter and dedicated herself to strengthening and supporting the chapter. She is working on the potential benefits and drawbacks of using both organic and inorganic nanoparticles in foods. Her approach is to utilize structural design principles to create healthier processed foods by reducing their calorie density or digestibility using food-grade dietary nanofibers. Currently, she has investigated the fate of various kinds of food-grade nanoparticles within the human gastrointestinal tract. She has authored and co-authored 17 research articles in peer-reviewed journals so far. The Dr. Gideon Guy Livingston Scholarship of Phi Sigma is given to a student member of Phi Sigma in honor of the founder of Phi Sigma and to acknowledge that students' scholastic achievements and dedication to Phi Sigma. The award consists of a plaque and a $1,000 scholarship. This scholarship is sponsored by Dr. Catherine Adams Hutt and Peter Barton Hutt. The winner of this scholarship is Anna Marie Rose Hayes. Anna is currently a PhD candidate at Purdue University. Anna was admitted directly into the PhD Food Science program based on receiving an Andrews Fellowship. Anna has made significant contribution to the Phi Sigma Hoosier chapter. She served as the chapter treasurer, vice president, and also served as the chapter president, and is currently continuing to assist as secondary treasurer for the chapter. Her research focuses on investigating the slow digesting and satiety promoting properties of pearl millet grown in sub-Saharan Africa through human clinical research and the use of in vitro gastrointestinal digestion models, as well as exploring the implications of starch-fine structural features on digestibility and texture applications through collaborative projects. Thus far, she has authored 4 peer-reviewed publications, including 2 as the first author and 1 conference proceeding. She is also the first author of a book chapter in the second edition of Encyclopedia of Food Grains. The Phi Sigma Founders Scholarship is given to a student member or member of a Phi Sigma whose graduate research has had or is expected to have a significant impact. The objective of this scholarship is to emphasize the importance of the original research, carefully selected to solve vexing problems of the food industry. The scholarship includes a plaque and a $1,000 scholarship. This scholarship is sponsored by Hawkins Food Ingredients Group. The winner of this scholarship is Catherine Williamson. Catherine is currently a PhD candidate of Food Science program at the Ohio State University. Catherine's main research goal is to develop novel opportunities of food waste through the creation of value-added products. Applications include bioplastics from spent coffee grounds and prebiotics from apple pomace. Additionally, she is exploring the potential of apple pomace, a waste product of the apple industry, as a potential low-cost source of prebiotics. Since most commercially available prebiotics are either expensive or only available in limited quantities, the discovery of new prebiotics from alternative low-cost sources will help address the increasing need for these functional foods. The Phi Sigma Special Recognition Award is given to a member of Phi Sigma who has shown exceptional dedication to Phi Sigma as evidenced by significant accomplishments towards the goals and our administration of Phi Sigma. The award consists of a plaque and an appropriate memento provided by Phi Sigma. This award is sponsored by Nina Tychols. The winner of this award is Dr. Claire E. Zollner. Dr. Zollner is a food safety scientist data services at iFood Decision Sciences Inc. She was inducted into Phi Sigma in 2013 as a student at Cornell University and became a professional member upon graduation in 2016. Dr. Zollner has been and continues to be very active and exceptionally devoted at the national, international level of Phi Sigma as a student, postdoc, and as a new professional in our industry. She has shown great dedication and has made significant contribution to Phi Sigma. She has expanded her activities from membership in one committee to membership in multiple committees, chair of one, and joined the leadership team as a at-large counselor. Dr. Zollner is currently serving as a director and is the associate editor of the Phi Sigma newsletter. The Phi Sigma Outstanding Chapter of the Year Award is given to honor a chapter of Phi Sigma that has achieved excellence in the areas of research, scholarship, leadership, and service. The award comes with a plaque and $1,000 to be used by the chapter to advance distinction in the food science discipline. This award is sponsored by Dr. Yagwang Lo and the Southern California Institute of Food Technology section. The winner of this award is Purdue University Hoosier chapter. Phi Sigma Hoosier chapter has continued to expand its activities and commitment to excellence. Chapter members have been recognized for a diverse array of achievements, such as being named recipients of the Phi Sigma Student Achievement Scholarship, advancing to the national competition for IFT College Bowl, being named recipients of Student Mentorship Awards, and the 150th Anniversary Professor at Purdue University, among others. Thank you to our contributing partner, Hawkins Food Ingredients Group. Thank you to all of our sponsors and donors, and congratulations to all of the scholarship and award winners. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you for joining us today in recognizing all of these outstanding award recipients and to recognize our donors and our sponsors of Phi Tau Sigma. And if you'd like to learn more about Phi Tau Sigma, please visit our website, www.phitausigma.org, or visit with any of the Phi Tau Sigma members. Again, we appreciate your support of Phi Tau Sigma, and join me again in recognizing all of the outstanding award winners.